Hi guys, good evening. Ayan guys, itong pool na to may jacuzzi din siya. Kaya itong mga alaga ko, nag-on din sila ng jacuzzi. Bale 1.2 meter. Hi Abisha. Hi Akarsha, say hi. Hi Akarsha to my vlog. Say hi. Abisha, say hi to my vlog. Yan, thank you guys for watching. This is Joyce Vargas Vlog again. It's Akarsha and Abisha. That's Abisha. Abisha, look. Ang saya. Guys, good evening. Ayan guys, ito na naman tayo guys. Joyce Vargas Vlog. Ayan, ito na naman guys. Hapon na naman. Nandito na naman yung mga Cinderella. Ay no, kwan pala itong mga to. Little Mermaid. Ayan. Naliligo na naman sila. Ang Little Mermaid sa aming bahay. Sila yung mga bata na hindi giniginaw sa tubig. Ayan, let them play hanggang mamaya makakain sila ng dinner and then makatulog sila ng mahimbing. Ayan guys, stay tuned and watch until the end. Ayan, ipapakilala ko ulit sa inyo guys ang mga alaga ko ulit. Si Abisha at Akarsha. Say hi, Abisha! Ayan, inuubo na naman ako. Yung ubo ko ang tagal na. Lumalayo naman sila. Tignan mo kung anong ginagawa nila. Hi! Ayan guys. Hapon na. Time check is 6:30 PM. Yan. Yan yung kwan nila. Gustong nilang mag-swimming sa hapon. O, diba? It's Saturday pala ngayon, guys. Kaya, yan. Nandiyan na naman sila. Ngayon na ako nakababa kasi hindi ako nagluto ng dinner, ng pangkalahatan. Pagkain lang ng mga batang lulutuin ko mamaya. So, nakaluto na ako ng kanin kasi gusto nilang magkanin at saka mag-noodles ngayon. So, bumaba ako para tingnan sila and i-video sila kung anong ginagawa nila. Gustong-gusto naman nila to guys. Yung ibini-video mo sila kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Ang Little Mermaid ng aming bahay. Oh, lumapit ako sa kanila guys kasi hindi nila ako naririnig. Kaya ayan, nandito yung pa ako. Ayan, di ba? Oh, ayan yung pa ako guys. Ayan. Ayan yung pa ako guys. Anyways, nakahiga ako dito sa my pool and then andyan sila. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan yung pa ako. O, diba guys? Abisha! Abisha, you swim! Ayan, Abisha. Wow! Abisha, never cover your ears. Akarsha. Abisha. Ayan, nakakuan pala tong phone ko. So, ilayo natin kaunti kasi ang lapit-lapit pala. Ayan, baka dadaan pa yung amo ko mamaya dito. Kasi pumunta dyan sa mall at may binili lang daw siya. Sabi naman ng mga bata. Ayan, kaya nandito naman ako para magbantay din sa kanila. Pero supposed to be, hindi naman na sila nalagain. Kasi malalaki naman na sila. 11 years old na sila this year. On July. So, hindi na sila alagain gano, guys. Ayan, dito po pala sa amin, guys. Ayan, from this side to other side, there is a swimming pool. Ayan, yung bahay namin po yan. Ayan. Yung dalawang bata hanggang doon. And dito may nakaupo lang po ako dito, guys. Ganyan lang po siya. Ayan, so ayan, habang binabantayan ang alaga. Ang dalawang Little Mermaid in Singapore. They really love swimming. These two girls. They really love swimming. Wow! Nasa taas yung paa nila. Yung paa nila nasa taas. Abisha, can you swim from there to here? Ayan na yung alaga ko. Mababasa na ako dito. Okay. Good. Go. Use like that. Oh, wow. Wow. Nice. Do it again. Wow. You also, Akarsha, how you do it? Akarsha, can you swim from there to here? Wow, you can? Do it what you do. Where's your cap? Abisha, Akarsha, your cap is going inside. Yeah. You swim, you show me.
Yes. Let's play a game. Auntie, you take my glass and you throw it, and we both and glass. But we are not very lucky to find it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Then we have to find it.
Can you give me? Okay.
Here.
Ay!
Sorry.
Apo. Okay.
You want to Kasha come here and talk to her.
Then later, how if you cannot find?
No, we have to. The area is that much. You cannot throw.
Okay, okay.
Kasha, come here. Come here.
Okay, wait. Wait. It's still going. Not yet come. Oh my God. Still go. Okay. Ganda yung isa. Yeah, it's nearby only. Uy, siya pangit. Akarsha also pangit.
That's good. I got a one.
I want only?
Yeah.
Okay, go it. You okay, go. Ala, don't look. Wait, it's still... Okay, go. Only one later too. She's sorry. Okay, ka? You give me the night truth too. Already go. She found it. Okay, you do it. You throw on your own. I don't like anymore. You make me wet.
No, not that side. This is the boundary that yellow light. I drew up to yellow light. This yellow light is the boundary. Okay.
go and find. No food and drink at fall area. No washing it in the fall and water. No stroller, no bike, no everything. Go and find, go. Go and find. It's not there. I never tell you anything.
No,
Maybe.
You saw me that it's here? You here? No. You saw me on this side.
What is that white one there?
Hey, you did it.
She found already. She never saw you.
She did.
She, I only tell her that she throw to another.
That is really funny. I'm not going to tell you.
Akarsha, no, they scold you. Don't throw that one there. Abisha, no, baby. It's not there. She never go there, only here. Abisha, no. She never throw there. No more. They scolding you there. Nandyan lang, oh. Yung hinahanap mo. Ayan, oh, nahanap mo nandyan lang. Hindi siya nakakaintindi sa akin. It's not there, sabi ko sa'yo.
Huh? Yeah, it's your fault only. No,
She found it. Enough now, enough now. Let's go. Abisha, let's go. Okay, give me. No, I throw. You need to go home. Later na, auntie, do it. Come on. Wrong also, Abisha. It's over here. You already go there. Here only. Okay, guys. Bye. Thank you for